How to use the trend function in Excel. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you're looking to make accurate forecasts based on your past data, you're in the right place. So first is understand what the trend function does. It helps you predict future values by analyzing historical data. But remember, it works best when your data shows a steady rise or drop. So uh, first things first, select the FX option on the very top. Now, on the top, erase whatever's there and then search for a trend. Now, on the first option, you'll have to select the temperature column, and then on the second one, select the year column. Now, after you've done that, go to the third one and select the 2 years where you need predictions and then tap on OK. After tapping on OK, you will be able to see the new temperature predictions. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.